Everyone, welcome to WP Solutions. In our previous video we learned how to create update delete menu in WordPress. Today we will learn how to change or upload logo in WordPress. So let's begin. Go to your dashboard, click on appearance. You will see option customize here. Click on it. After that it will just redirect us to customization page. You will see a site identity option here. Click on it. Then you will see site title and logo settings. So if you are using transparent header in Astra theme, you have to go to customize transparent header to change your logo, and you also have to upload your logo here. After clicking on change logo, you will see three options here: upload file, media library and free images. If you have already uploaded logo on your site, you can find your logo in media library option. If you want to upload file from your system, you can click on upload files, and if you want to select from free images, you can select any image. So we will upload file. Click on select files, select your logo, click open. Then click select. It will show you a cropping option here. If you have extra spaces like this image, you can just crop these spaces dragging this option, and if you don't want to crop your image, you can skip cropping. I will crop my image. It will change logo here. After this you just have to click on publish, or if you want to adjust the width of your logo, you can just drag this option like this. Okay, if you want to check on your different devices like mobile, tab, you can click on this icon. It will show you tab view and mobile view. You can adjust logo width for different devices. I will click on publish. After that we will just refresh our site. Here we go, our logo is updated. After uploading logo here, if you don't see any changes and your logo is not changed here, you just have to customize your transparent header. In Astra you will find transparent header option, and you have to upload your logo or select your logo in transparent header also. So this is the simplest way you can change your logo in Astra theme or any WordPress theme. Just subscribe my channel, like my video for more. We will learn something new in our next video, so stay connected. Thanks for watching.